They taught us the Earth is round. They gave us globes, photos from space, even science textbooks, but what if it was all wrong? Today, we explore 5 mind-blowing ideas behind the flat Earth theory, and why some believe this is the biggest cover-up of all time. Welcome to a journey that just might change how you see the world. Literally. For most of human history, people believed the Earth was flat. Ancient Egyptians, Mesopotamians, and Norse cultures described the world as a disk, covered by a solid dome called the firmament. Even in medieval times, the flat Earth model persisted until science and exploration pushed us toward the globe. But today, some argue we've simply traded ancient myths for modern ones. So why are thousands of people worldwide rejecting the globe and returning to this ancient view? Flat Earthers point to one everyday observation. The horizon always looks flat, and rises to eye level. They claim that even at high altitudes, in planes or balloon footage, there's no visible curve. Shouldn't we see a noticeable drop-off if Earth is truly round? NASA says the Earth is so large the curve is subtle. Flat Earthers say, that's just what they want you to believe. Water always finds its level no matter where it is. It's a phrase flat Earthers love to repeat, and it's at the core of their model. They argue, if oceans, lakes, and rivers conform to a curve, then why do all measurements show it's flat on all the surfaces? In do-it-yourself experiments, some claim laser beams shot across large lakes stay at the same height, with no dip or curvature over miles. But mainstream scientists counter that these tests are flawed by weather, optics, and poor setup. Still, for many the question remains, where's the curve? One of the most dramatic claims, that Antarctica is not a continent at the bottom of a globe, but a massive ice wall circling the flat Earth. Flat Earthers say this frozen barrier holds the oceans in place, and beyond it lies the unknown. They believe governments have restricted travel there to hide the truth, enforcing a strict Antarctic Treaty signed by over 50 countries. What are they protecting? And what's really beyond that ice? Look up. The stars tell a story. Flat Earth believers say the stars form perfect, repeating circles in the sky, suggesting a fixed dome, not a rotating planet. They also point to ancient texts like the Bible and the Book of Enoch, which describe a firmament above the Earth, separating the waters above from below. To them, outer space doesn't exist. The stars, sun, and moon are local, small, and embedded in the dome. Sounds impossible? Maybe. But it makes you wonder, how do we know what's really up there? Flat Earthers are deeply skeptical of NASA. They argue that space agencies use CGI, green screens, and inconsistent stories to maintain the globe illusion. They question why so many Earth images are digital composites and why astronauts train underwater for spacewalks. And they ask, if we went to the moon in 1969, why is modern space travel still so limited? Is it science fiction, or something more? The big question, why would anyone lie about the shape of the Earth? Flat Earth believers say the motive is simple: power, money, and control. If Earth is flat and enclosed, they argue, it proves creation, and challenges what we know about the universe, evolution, and our place in it. It would shake the foundation of science, religion, and governments all around the world. So instead, we're told to trust the experts, and never ask too many questions. So, is the Earth truly flat? Or is this just another wild theory from the corners of the internet? One thing's for sure, asking the question leads to deeper conversations about science, history, belief, and truth. Because sometimes, the most dangerous ideas are the ones you're not allowed to ask. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We're reading everyone. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more eye-opening investigations, strange science, and the mysteries they don't want you to question.